In this video, we are going to see the quick example of if conditions and how the basic if functions or the logical expressions work in Google Sheets. And for that, we are going to take a very simple example so that you can easily learn that if conditions basics. So in the previous videos, we have created this mark sheet. But let's say that we want to mention the status of the student, whether he's pass or whether he is fail. And the status is if a student obtains less than 40%, then he's fail, otherwise he is pass. But for the calculations to work perfectly and to show multiple results like for fail as well, we want to alter this data because all of these percentages are greater than 50%. So what we do is we generate a random data that will also be a revision for the previous concepts. Let's say that we want to generate this random numbers. How do we do it? Equals to rand between, and this time we will use the lower limit as, let's say 30, because the lowest passing marks in any subject should be 30 and the highest should be, let's say 52 or 60, let's say. So we get lesser numbers and the overall percentage decline for the students. So this is 51. We will drag it towards right and just double click to send it down, and we see these results. Let's even make it, let's say 50. Drag it towards right and drag it towards down so that we get even lesser results. So now we want to remove these formulas but keep the values only. What we will do is we will select all the range from where we want to remove the formula. We'll just copy this and just right click as paste special. First of all, just copy this and then you can paste special as values only. So copy this, right click, paste special as values only, and now you will notice that instead of formula, when we click on any particular cell, it is directly showing us the figure. And even if we open it, there's no formula in there. That means the value will not change if we try to make some calculations. So anyways, let's extract the status now. So like we have discussed, that how do we extract the percentage? We simply say if the student has the percentage lesser than 40%, then he is fail, otherwise he is pass. So whatever we have said in English sentence should be the formula as well. Equals to if what? We will press a tab so that bracket should open automatically. Now don't be confused by this method of applying this formula because it looks quite complex at the starting, especially if you don't know altogether about Google Sheets or Excel. It is showing the logical expression. So whatever we have just said, we will just mention that as a logical expression, that if, just remember, we have to start every formula with an equals to sign, and then we write if whatever is in this cell, whatever percentage the student has obtained in the parallel cell, if this cell results or percentage is less than is pointing towards the left and the greater than should be pointing towards the right. So if this percentage is less than what? Less than 40%, then we will use a comma for then, and then it moves to the value of true. Just remember that we have to use a comma for then. If this cell is less than 40%, then means comma, then what happens? We will say that he is what? Fail. Now why I have written fail in inverted commas? That's because fail is just a word and not any kind of expressions or formula. So whatever we want to print in Google Sheets as it is, we just mention that in inverted commas so that it just prints out this as a text. Otherwise, until now we have said if this percentage is less than 40%, then means comma, then fail. Otherwise, we will use comma for otherwise as well. Otherwise means value if false. If that doesn't happen, then what? Then he is pass. That's it. Close the inverted commas because this is also a text, and we should close the bracket that we have opened in the starting, but Google Sheets are smart enough that even if we don't close, it will close this for us automatically. And it will also suggest that do you want to use the same formula for every single row? Suggested autofill is mentioned. If you want to continue, we just press tick and it will complete the formula. So you can notice that whatever is lesser than 40% is fail. Now here you might be confused that it's not that lesser than 40%, but if we increase the decimal places, like from here, it's 39.6 basically. So it is performing the calculations just perfectly and automatically. So 35% fail, 38% fail, 40.8 pass, 39.80 fail. So this is how we perform the basic calculation of the logical expressions or if conditions in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.